In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures in Google Sheets. Let's say you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to add pictures. Here's how to do it. First, select the cell that you want to add a picture in. Let's go to the menu bar and select Insert. Click on that, and in the middle, you're going to see Image. On the right side, you have two options. We can do Insert Image in Cell or Insert Image over Cells. Let's do this one first. Click on that, and you have the different options where you can get your pictures from. You can upload your pictures from your computer drive. Turn on your webcam and take a picture. Input the link of the specific picture that you want to add. Add photos from your computer drive. Add photos from your Google Drive. Or do a Google image search. For this one, we're going to do an upload. Click on Browse, and you have the Google Sheets logo right here. Click on that, and it will automatically be inserted in the cell that you've selected. Let's try that again with a different subject. Click on the cell where you want to add the picture. Go to Insert, Image, Insert Image in Cell. We're going to upload again. Click on Browse, and select the picture you want to add. And there you have the computer keyboard inside the cell. Now let's try the other option. Our next subject is Texas. Let's go to Insert, Image. We are going to try Insert Image over Cells. Click on that. And this time, we're going to do a Google image search. Enter the subject that you want to add. And there we have different options that we can select from. Well, we're just going to choose the first one. At the bottom right, you're going to see Insert. Click on that. So we've added an image over the cells. It's not within the cell, it's over the cells. Now you can select this picture, drag it where you want to place it, and even resize it. Let's try that again with another subject. Go back to Insert, Image, Insert Image over Cells. Another Google image search. Put in your subject. And again, the different pictures you can choose from. Let's select the first one. And click Insert at the bottom right. And you've added another picture over cells. Click on the picture, drag it up, and you can resize it. And that's how to add pictures in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.